Hey, what's going on, y'all? So I just kind of wanted to do a video on taillight replacement. Taillights are pretty easy, but just kind of wanted to show you what I have currently, where I got it from, how they differ from the stock, and you know, the currently popular clear lens Depo taillights. I guess a little bit about these is, you know, they're kind of like the Euro style with the chrome bezel on the inside, but for the longest time these weren't like super popular, and then all of a sudden they became popular and they were like sold out everywhere. So recently, was it 1A Auto had these in stock, so I bought a set just because they kind of grew on me. So I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I like them now, but I hated them before. Back then, Depo also used to have a black bezel design, so it was pretty much instead of chrome, it was black, but the reflectors were still red. So nowadays, people like Johnny Blaze on Instagram, and I'm sure there's some other people, but he's the one that I know does like complete clears. So what he does is pretty much the stock reflectors are actually clear. So the lens is red, so that's why you know, when cars behind you shine their headlights, they reflect red. But on a clear lens, you need red reflectors. So pretty much what he does is he retrofits the clear off of the OEM housing, and he puts it into this, so it becomes all clear. Which these, once they're done, they're known as, you know, clears. And I kind of want to do that. Also kind of ask him to, you know, do some halos. But anyhow, these use standard bulbs, you know, halogen type. So I'm actually going to be swapping these on. The current ones that are on my car are non-functioning, only because when I bought them, I thought they were pre-wired, but they're not. I bought these from Japan. There's a retrofitter out in Japan that does these, so that means that these specific taillights were originally Japanese spec, where relative to the USDM, I'm trying to think, the turn signal is amber, like that lens is amber, and you can actually see it, like you can see the color difference. But these are retrofitted, so they've got the halos and it's got the LEDs as the turn signals, as you can see. And again, these aren't wired yet. When I pull them off, I can kind of show you. They're just pigtailed, so I will have to wire them in, which is the reason why I'm gonna go ahead and switch to these. And then for the reverse lights, these are the ones that come with the Depo kit. It's just halogen reverse bulb. I guess they're considered halogen. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think they're halogen. And then this is part of the LED, you know, set that I got with it. You know, everything is oh, so it kind of comes like this. So you can imagine the actual tail light is just pigtailed. Yeah. So let me go ahead and just swap everything and put on the clear Depo tail light to kind of, you know, just show you what it looks like. Okay, so I've already kind of taken these off. They're part of the net that holds everything. I already had it off, so I apologize for that. So once you have that off, this pretty much pulls up. So you just kind of lift up like there. Let's see if I can lift up. Kind of see this sits in here, same for those. So once you lift that, you can remove it. And please excuse all the mess, because I just don't have any place to put my shit, so I just store it in here for now. All right, so now you can lift this back, and you can see where the nuts are holding it. So just loosen those. You can see, yeah, this is what I mean, it's pigtailed. So yeah, so let me go ahead and loosen those. Okay, so like I mentioned, it's three nuts. They're 8 mils. Once you have it out, you can kind of push here, or I just kind of push the stud to kind of push it out, so you can see like this is already loose. That, so put that there. Then take this. Is this the right side? Yeah. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. So line it up. It's got, I guess, like an alignment hole there and there. So just kind of see if I can do it with one hand. Yeah. So there. I just gotta put in the nut. I got this side loose already, so yeah, so I'm just gonna push it a little bit. All right, so let me just go ahead and put in the other side. Okay, so got the tails in. Plugged up and everything. Yeah, these are plug and play, so they, that's convenient. All right, so to do the reverse lights, I got to remove the covering. These are just held in by push pins, and you just kind of put in the flathead, push it out. So I already did it. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. All right, so let me go ahead and take it off and show you what it looks like underneath. So I completely missed this. So these, you kind of just pull straight. They'll make these like, yeah, it makes that sound. Yep. You see, you just pull it straight. And this whole thing, the other side came off, but I have to take a flat head to that. So, maybe this will. Yep, so that whole thing's loose now. Of course, take this off. Oh, so it's 9. I actually missed that one. Okay. So I'm just actually gonna leave that hanging. 3 bolts, and do the wiring. Come on. Yeah. So 8 mils also. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it off. All right, so I got them in. Let me kind of show you. I mean, it's pretty, easy. I mean, once you take out the old one, you just line it up. I mean, they're side specific. And then they have this extra little part that you're supposed to like take the double side tape off and put it here. I mean, I don't know if some people cut it or not. I'm gonna keep it, I guess. So I'm gonna take this off and stick it. And then once I do that, I'll button everything up and then kind of get the final result. All right, everything's back in. You just pop this into place. These pop in. This is actually directional. I had it backwards at first, but this pops in also. So this is how it looks. All right, thanks guys.